In today's video, I am going to show you how to make a round logo in Canva. Whether you're building a brand or just having fun designing, Canva makes it easy to bring your vision to life in just a few minutes. Start by opening Canva in your web browser. On the home page, use the search bar at the top and type in round logo. Hit enter and you'll see a variety of templates designed specifically for round logos. Take a moment to browse through them and pick one that fits the style and vibe you want to convey. Templates give you a solid starting point even if you're not a professional designer. Once you've chosen a template, click Customize this template. This will open Canva's editor, where you can tweak everything to make it uniquely yours. Click on any text within the logo to edit it. Change the words, fonts, sizes, and colors to match your brand or style. Experiment with different combinations until it feels just right. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you've created a stunning round logo using Canva. Remember, the key is to experiment, explore Canva's tools, and refine your design until it perfectly represents your brand or personal style. Thanks for watching and happy designing!